Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Nvidia installer cannot continue error in Windows 11 10.8.7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to click on this close and now locate the application guys, and now you just need to right click on it and select WinRAR and select extract to, and it will be extract guys. After getting extracted, you just need to right click on the start icon and select device manager. Now expand the display adapter section and right click on the Nvidia GeForce graphics card driver and select update driver and select browse my computer for drivers. And now you just need to select the browse option over here, and you just need to navigate to the location we just now extracted. In my case I just extracted in downloads. Click on the extracted file and select OK and select next. And now the driver has been successfully installed guys. Now close it off here. Now go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.